Hi, my name is Yanis, and we have created a smart financial assistant to give practical steps for the people to do in this challenging situation. During the lockdown, for many families, income has decreased significantly, leaving them with very tight budgets to survive. And although there are many financial resources and planning tools available, most of them give a general advice for the current moment, or are extensive manual input needed, so they lack a particular next steps. And let me show how we done it an easy way. A family of 3 can click what is their current situation, and based on that data, when they will submit, we already will provide them a snapshot of their position with specific actions they can take. And most of the families are looking to decrease their payments through credit holidays. So in this example, when they contact the lender, they can calculate what would be the effect on their monthly payments when they take the holidays. And if they want to proceed, we will contact them with the bank. But the most important advantage, if you connect the bank through open banking, so we will analyze all the previous history and give them specific recommendations on how they can save and what could be their financial prediction in that case. So here you see the overview, here you see the potential solutions, and this family has the possibility to decrease the subscription payments. We have validated it through personal interviews and global social network communities. At the moment, the tool will be free of charge for the people, helping the people. But to make it sustainable in the future, we will add premium features and we will charge for them a subscription fee. We are a strong team. I'm Yanis, with 15 years background in finance, and Martin with IT background for 15 years. So we built a smart financial assistant to help people around the world with practical guidelines they need. So I'm Yanis, thank you very much.